There you go.
So today I'm going to be doing lessons. If you don't know anything about pianos, this is going to be a beginner lesson. This section will be called notes, and I'll have two videos in this section. One will be for white notes, and the second video will be talking about black notes. This video is to help you understand everything you see visually when you look at a piano when it comes to notes. So the first thing we'll talk about is there's a pattern. First thing I want to show is there is a pattern when we look at a piano. There's clusters of black notes, 2 and then 3. So all the way up the entire piano. So you got 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. So there is 7 clusters, 7 of these 2 little clusters, and there are 7 little clusters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of the 3. So now we're going to talk about finding notes. On the piano, the notes are named from A to G, and then they repeat that pattern again. In this video, I want to show you how to find 2 notes, A and C, and then you can determine the rest of the notes based on these 2. We'll start with finding the note A. So the note A, if you find a cluster of 3, and you go down the middle, and you'll have 2 notes, and you choose the right one, that is A. So find a cluster of 3, go down the middle, you'll have 2 white notes, one on the right is A. Cluster of 3, down the middle, there's 2 notes, right one, A. And you can do that with any cluster of 3. So you have, like I said earlier, you have A through G on the piano. So you have A, B, C, D, E. I'm sorry. You have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and then it repeats A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, C, E, E, F, G. So that is finding A. You find a cluster of 3, go down the middle, right one is your A. So the second note I want to show you is how to find C. The note C is easier to find. You find a cluster of 2 black notes. So out of these 7, like we were discussing earlier, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You find a cluster of 2. You go left one. You choose the left one on the black one, and you go left one. So you find a cluster of 2, left one, C, C, C. This one's called middle C because if you go through it's the middle, literally the middle C. 2, left one, 2, left one, 2, left one. And if you notice, there is a total of 8 notes until you repeat the first note, and they call that an octave. So if we find a cluster of 2, left one, like we were talking about for finding C. And this video is going to be specifically over just white notes. So you have C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here to here is an octave. And this is C, and this is also C. So There's technically 12 semi notes in an octave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. But we're only going to be talking about white notes in this video. Each octave from here to here, if you're going up, that is, doubles in frequency and hertz. Now that you know and can find the white notes on the piano, I want to make a follow-up video on the black notes. I hope this helps, and God bless.